watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Meteorological winter starts today, December, January, February, and I think on a lot of people's minds, at least when you're thinking of weather, when are we going to get the snow? Well, you're not asking that question if you're east of Grand Rapids, but if you're from Grand Rapids and points to the west, you missed out on that snowstorm. Well, if you're a snow lover, I just don't see it in the first week of December. We could get a little bit of snow tonight, but nothing like what we had last year on the first day of December with 5 inches. Here right now on Storm Track Live Radar, not much going on. We have a fair amount of sunshine out there. You actually have to head to the north, and even to the north, it's not very significant. There's a weak area of low pressure with a trailing cold front and some light snow showers through central Wisconsin. That is about it. Up around the Petoskey area and also around the Manistee location. A lot of this is not reaching the ground, but they're getting a little bit of a mixture out there. For us, we'll stay dry during the daylight hours. And very interesting, if you think snow has an impact on temperatures, it certainly does. Notice Battle Creek smack dab in the center, 33 degrees, 8-mile-an-hour wind. Contrast that at the airport at 42 degrees with no snow on the ground. Battle Creek still has a little bit on the ground there. And you can see that also in the Lansing. Compare that with the Holland area. So nearly a 10-degree temperature difference. Let's take a look at it out there with other area temperatures. Actually, I want to show you the viz real quick. This is a great shot. Once again, we didn't melt much snow. The sun angle this time of year is quite low, so it's kind of tough to melt snow even when it's sunny out there. It's kind of interesting. I went to the store yesterday. I do a little Christmas shopping, and you could tell just by looking at the parking lot, the cars that came in from the eastern part of the Grand Rapids area, or this part of the viewing area, because they were chocked with salt and even had some snow on them. It's kind of interesting. Anyway, you can see there's nothing but sunshine out there. That's just snow on the ground to our east. Temperatures currently 42 degrees in Grand Rapids, 33 as I pointed out in the Battle Creek area, 46 degrees right now in Muskegon. Wind coming off the lake, 43 also in the Holland area. So what a temperature difference out there. Wind speed 10 miles an hour out of the southwest. It should remain for the most part between 5 to 15 miles an hour out of the south and west. Wind chills, coldest off to the south and east with those temperatures a little bit colder. It only feels like it's in the 20s, Battle Creek and also around the Coldwater area. That's pretty chilly. This is what we're tracking. A little bit of light snow tonight. It should amount to less than an inch, maybe a little bit on the grassy surfaces when you wake up tomorrow morning. That would be about it. Don't think it will impact the roads at all. And then wet Saturday night and also on Sunday, probably a rain changing over to snow, light snow that is, scenario. 24-hour forecast, I think by 6 o'clock, clouds will increase, especially from I-96 to the north, and a little bit of precipitation breaking out. You can see this narrow swath of some light snow, possibly a mixture right along the lakeshore, moving across the area with that weak cold front. Look how quickly it clears out, though. I think by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, at least once the sun comes up, we'll start to see the sunshine, and that's going to continue right on through the rest of Friday. It's going to be a chilly day, though. I think temperatures will max only in the 30s. Here's a look at the Storm Team 8-day forecast. I mentioned not much going on as far as significant storms. A little bit of rain on Saturday night, rain changing over to some light snow possibly on Sunday, and then Tuesday, cold enough for some late lake effect snow showers. It doesn't look as impressive as it did yesterday. The model's kind of backing off on a surge of cold air. Yeah, I'm just bummed. I'm at the point now. I want some snow.
Right.
You want some good stuff.
Bring it on.
You want some snow like Battle Creek and Calhoun County got.
You bet.
No doubt about that. A lot of people could use that kind of stuff about now, I suppose.
Getting antsy for some outdoor activities.
I am.
All right. Thank you, Matt.